Is Theia the forgotten planet that built both Earth and the Moon? Around 4.5 billion years ago, a dramatic event reshaped our planet. A world called Theia, about the size of the early Earth, collided with our young planet and set in motion the formation of the Moon. But what kind of world was Theia, and where did it come from? Even though Theia was destroyed, its chemical traces still survive in Earth's mantle and in moon rocks brought back by Apollo astronauts. These traces appear in the form of isotopes, tiny variations of elements that act like ancient fingerprints. Because isotopes form differently at different distances from the Sun, they help reveal where early worlds were born. So what do they reveal about Theia? Scientists from the Max Planck Institute for Solar System Research and the University of Chicago measured iron isotopes in 15 Earth rocks and 6 lunar samples. They found that Earth and the Moon share almost identical patterns. Earlier studies showed the same for chromium, calcium, titanium, and zirconium. This strong similarity suggests that Earth and Theia mixed deeply during their collision. But does that mean they formed near each other? To answer this, researchers simulated many combinations of early Earth and Theia materials. They compared these models with meteorites that represent different regions of the solar system. Earth's early makeup matches known meteorite types, but Theia's does not. Instead, its chemical signature suggests it formed closer to the Sun and later drifted outward before impacting Earth. If Theia was once a close inner solar world neighbor that helped shape both Earth and the Moon, what other lost planets might have influenced the earliest chapters of our solar system's history? For the complete news, visit our website. Support us by following and sharing.